Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your country in the Vanced Tube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the flag button at the top of the page on the right. And here, as you can see, if you scroll down, there are several countries that you can select. So just find yours and then click on the done button at the top of the page on the right. And that's it, your country is now set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.